Good day friends, Gopa Chakravarti here again for you. So this time I'll show you my tussars and baftas and lot of batik work sarees. You always demanded to see. I have worked out for good batiks this time. Let me show you some. Yeah, the magical bafta. Bafta is here for you. Look at the workmanship of the artisans. They have magic in their hands. Number 1, only for 4,000. The bafta, the quality of bafta matters. It's a very good quality bafta, comfortable to wear. Only for 4,000. And the blouse section. Very good material. So we found bafta is acceptable to many of us. 4,000 taka daam, only for 4,000. Bafta is going for 4,000. Lovely batik. Typical greenhouse batik is only for 4,000. Bafta quality of bafta, which is very nice. Only for 4,000. Oh, the black and red. Very bright for winters. 4,000 only. All on batik. It will hold the color after wash, no problems. Very comfortable body hugging sarees. Bafta sarees going for 4,000. Baftas is 452 Keatala Road. Lot of collection, new arrival at Keatala Road branch. 4,000. Lovely colorful batik. This goes the blouse section. This is number 5. Number 5. Number 5 is also for 4,000. The greenhouse product, bafta quality is also very good here. Number 5 is for 4,000 only. Number 5 is for 4,000. Batik on bafta material. Our chanderis, greenhouse chanderis, 2950. Chanderis are going for 2950, dear. The quality, you have to judge for yourself. 2950. Grace the occasion wearing this chandeli. For all occasions it will do. Number 7. Number 7. Batik on chandeli material. Keatola Road, Ashun, we are at ground floor. It's 2950 for this chandeli. This is product number 7. Product number 7. This is a raising design. This goes like this. Is it raising or skirt border? No, this is skirt border. This is skirt border. Or raising. I'm sorry, this is a raising design. Yeah, turn it to this side. Dikhti pachi na. This is skirt border, I feel. Okay. Okay. These are our Gachi Tashar. I was not left with any last time. This is 6,800. And the quality 6,800. This is chocolate brown in color, a little on maroonish side. 6,800 for this number 8. Heavily done up batik, lot of workmanship. Volume of work. See the volume of work. This is for 6,800 only. 6,800 dear. And the blouse section. Yeah, this is a good one. Number 9. Number 9, 6,800. 6,800 for number 9. Slightly, it's diagonally done. $6,800 please. And the quality. Dear, come to Greenhouse. See for yourself. 6,800. Very confident about my product. One more beautiful piece. Number 10. $6,800 again for this Gachi Tasar. This is also rising design. Yeah, this is the rising design. Let me come up. It's rising too. Yeah, it's fine. This is our Gachi Tasar, Zari border ones. zari border, 6,200 batik. $6,200. This is number 11. Number 11 is for 6,200. This is the Korean variety, dear, on tussar. Korean tussar. 5,600 for number 12. Abstract one. And the blouse section. And the tussar ones. This is Azrak. Organic color. Number 13 is for 8,200. A beautiful Azrak. On tussar, on Gachi tussar. Premium quality Gachi tussar. A very nice one, very good quality. $8,200 for this. Number 14. This is for 8,200 again. Number 14 is for 8,200 again. Zari border tussars. Number 15. This is on Gachi tussar. This is a checkered one. Checkered one. There are weaves you cannot, there are lines of zari all throughout. Zari checkered tussar. $5,400 for this one. The base is, look at the base. This is all zari. The zari ones, tussar, checkered tussar, zari checks inside. The shaded one, beautifully done up, all discharge prints. High quality, 5400 only. $5,400. And this is the blouse section, dear. Now you could see the zari checks inside. Lovely piece. Yeah, the Bishnupur silks. Number 18, 4,500 only. 4,500. Number 18, 4,500. 450 gram silk. They're all silk mark. This is the blouse section. Number 19. Number 19 for 4,500 again. Look how vibrant. Brilliant color. This is little like this. The sari goes like this. And the blouse section. Number 20. Lovely batik again. Black and white combination. Little stylish. এটা একটু অন্যভাবে পরতে হবে। এটা খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং করে করা আছে। Differently done up. Number 20. When worn, it will look nice. Can't drape you and show you. It will come at the back. This is again the raising design. Number 21. 21 নম্বরটা দেখুন। Back to the This is number 22, the black, and the quality, very heavy quality. Number 42 is for 4500 with panels all throughout. এটা এইভাবে দেখাও সোজাভাবে, look nice all throughout. And with a red blouse. এটা দেখুন, number 23. Look at the archer. This is number 23, going for 4500. They're all fresh lot of batiks I've shown you on Bishnupur silks. Fresh lot for this showroom. This is number 24. Enjoy watching. I need not talk because you could just see the cameraman is so expert. I've stopped talking. Number 24, 4500. $4,500 for number 24. देखो इधर. Oh, this pink, so good. And the last one, I'll finish now with this sari. Yellow, yellow and yellow. I wanted to show you one yellow. Always you wanted to see yellows. This is batik, dear. Batik without crack. Number 25. This is for 4,500. And greenhouse is over today. I may look forward for your visits. My work is over. You just cooperate, come over, see for yourself, enjoy yourself at Greenhouse. Thank you.